Every luxury handbag you admire began as raw hide in a place like this. This is where the exotic leather journey begins. From wild patterns to refined luxury, millions of square feet processed yearly in facilities like this that never truly rest. One hand holds the beginning, the other holds refined luxury. Everything in between is craftsmanship and precision. From a single zebra hide to exquisite luxury fashion, this line transforms nature into timeless elegance. Every luxury piece starts with hides like these. Careful selection and testing ensure only the finest enter the line.
Only the best hides pass. A single flaw here can affect an entire luxury collection.
These hides are stored under precise conditions. Timing from arrival to tanning is critical for quality. Precision trimming happens before chemicals ever touch it. Every cut sets the stage for perfect leather. Every kilogram is tracked. This hide will become multiple high-value luxury items. Batch weight variations over 1% can trigger reinspection in certified exotic leather facilities. Water and time restore the hide. This step ensures the leather will be supple and durable. The right chemistry transforms raw hide into beautiful, long-lasting leather. Precision here is everything.
This is the moment the hide begins its metamorphosis into luxury, exotic leather.
Chemicals penetrate the fibers. This is where raw hide becomes real leather.
Precision splitting ensures every piece meets the exact requirements for high-end handbags and garments.
The right dyes bring out the natural zebra patterns while adding durability. Proper drying prevents shrinkage and locks in the luxurious hand feel. This finishing step elevates the natural beauty that defines exotic leather luxury. Symbols. Trained eyes catch imperfections machines might miss, ensuring only premium leather advances. Inline inspections can reduce. Every cut is calculated to maximize beauty and minimize waste from these unique hides.
Skiving creates the invisible strength behind visible luxury.
These details separate good leather goods from true luxury. Multiple thin coats build durable edge protection measured in microns.
Softness is engineered. It doesn't happen by chance.
Every luxury piece has hidden quality on the inside too.
These marks turn leather into signature luxury.
The right hardware completes the luxury statement.
Strong seams begin with perfect adhesive application.
Each stitch is a testament to craftsmanship in exotic leather. The details you don't see make the luxury you do see possible.
Technology and human expertise combine to guarantee perfection.
True luxury means nothing leaves until it's flawless. Controlled heat sets the leather permanently. This step ensures the luxury shape holds for years. Every trace of the journey is removed. Only pure luxury remains for the customer.
Hidden stresses are eliminated here, so the product performs beautifully for its entire life.
This invisible layer protects the beauty beneath while letting the exotic zebra character shine through. Top coats are typically applied.
Every element comes together here. The zebra leather is now a complete luxury fashion statement.
An African-American male supervisor's approval ensures every luxury piece meets the highest exotic leather standards.
Computer-controlled precision ensures every pattern piece is identical and waste is minimized.
Robots deliver tireless consistency that complements the hand-finished luxury details. Massive yet precise pressure creates shapes that define luxury silhouettes. Light creates lasting identity. Every mark tells part of this leather's story. These microscopic refinements create the unmistakable touch of high-end exotic leather.
Every fitting must withstand years of use. Precision fastening makes that possible.
Only products that survive thousands of cycles leave as true luxury.
Automation ensures every luxury piece meets the same uncompromising standard. Every mechanism must work flawlessly. This is the final gate before the world sees it.
Luxury leather must perform in real life, not just look beautiful on a shelf. This mark ensures authenticity and tells the story of each individual luxury piece.
Technology confirms what skilled eyes have already approved. Perfection is the only option.
The product leaves production perfect and enters packaging the same way.
The packaging is designed to cradle and protect the exotic leather during its journey.
Every accessory and certificate tells the complete story of this exotic leather piece. The box becomes the first impression of the luxury experience waiting inside. Automatic carton systems operate at 20 to 60 boxes per minute.
Every label ensures the product reaches its destination with full traceability.
One case protects many dreams of luxury. This is how the factory connects to the world. One pallet carries dozens of future luxury experiences to customers worldwide.
Random checks ensure every customer receives the same level of exotic luxury.
Tunchins. From raw hide to refined luxury, this is the full journey of exotic leather craftsmanship. A specialized facility. Data drives excellence. Today's numbers reflect dedication to luxury standards. World-class leather facilities target overall equipment effectiveness above 85%. Each of these began as raw hide. Now they carry elegance to the world. Premium exotic leather lines supply high-end markets with thousands of pieces annually.
This is the result of skill, science, and dedication. From zebra hide to timeless luxury fashion in your hands.
Thanks for watching my video.